Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1963 Sport Fury convertible. Great car. This will be our second attempt at trying to get this video done. Unfortunately, as you can see, it's snowing. Just multiple snow squalls during the day, kind of covering stuff and making a mess, but we'll see if we can battle through this. Great car. I bought this car down in North Carolina. A lot of history with this car. Matter of fact, a very good friend of mine knows a lot about this car. It is a Sport Fury convertible, which is very rare. It's got the 318 wide block with the Polyheads and a 4-speed manual trans. Factory color combo. This is the original color combination. It's had one repaint, 2 owners in its entire life. Like I said, documented history we have in the trunk of the car, receipts and record books on it. But great car. It's original dark blue metallic. It's got the 2-tone blue interior. Again, 318 wide block with dual quads, 4-speed. Does have the poly heads on it. And a nice car, guys. If you want a nice running and driving car, this thing hits the road outstanding. Chrome and stainless is nice. You can kind of nitpick the bumpers a little bit. Got the original bumperettes on it. There's just so much to like about this car. I mean, as I looked at this car, I just kept, falling in love with it more and more. The paint's nice on it. It runs and drives excellent. Again, I like that hopped up little V8 underneath the hood with the 4-speed behind it. It's a fun car to drive. It shifts out good. The clutch is good. Convertible, which is super nice. It's got the aftermarket top on it too. We'll put that up and show you that. Go ahead, Jordy. Put it up. Glass is nice. Again, I apologize about the snow, guys. Welcome to Michigan. Bucket seats, console. It's got that Hurst shifter. Gauges are nice. I'll tell you what, everything that I know of on the car works. Again, it's got that, I think it's called a Haatz top, which is really nice. The boots in the trunk for it. Such a good car, guys. So like I say, as you walk around this car, you're around this car, you just start liking it more and more. Again, you can see little things that you can kind of nitpick on the trim. A lot of that stuff is original, but still very nice. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Nice set of wheels and tires on it. It's got the American Racing torque thrust with Cooper Cobras all the way around it. I really like the wheels on it. It's kind of got that era correct hot rod, cruising Woodward feel. If you guys can't notice in my voice here, I'm battling a doggone cold. Yeah, I like this car a lot. Good solid body. Again, I love the wheels and tires on this car. Sits good. It's nice underneath. As always, we got it up in the air. Got some good pictures of the bottom for you. Very original undercoat still underneath. This is a matching numbers block. It's got again original 318 wide block car. It's got the Edelbrock AVS carburetors on it, twin 4 barrels, aftermarket dual quad intake on it, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering. Does have the manual drum brake. Stops good. Like I say, running and driving wise, I'd get this thing and drive it to California. Great car. This is an aluminum radiator. They painted it black. It's actually aluminum radiator. 4-speed manual trans. Like I say, 2-owner car, 1 repaint in its life. It's the original trim tag. And it's got some up. This thing gets down the road and gets it. It's tuned real good. That's just, sorry guys, just a splash just from us pulling it around. pulled it out here and then just got a massive snow squall. Works in this one that we're in. This is just a good car though. The fit and finish is good. You can see the stainless on the car is nice. Original door handles, you can pick those a little bit. Interior's all brand new. It's got the two-tone. $89,000 original miles. Power top. Again, bucket seats, console. It's got the Hurst shifter. It's just a good car. Very cool gauges. They all work except for the clock. It's kind of got that Western font, which is super cool. Matter of fact, that's what we use in our ads. Actually, it's a Southern Motors logo. 89,000 original miles. Factory radio delete car, guys. Blower motor works, parking brake works, new Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 8 3/4 323 sure grip rear end. There's actually your original paint still on that trim right there, which is cool. This jam is never, actually the trunk jam here has never been painted. They did spackle coat the trunk. They were actually body color, but you see that a lot, and it's nice. It's clean in here. I don't want to rip this mat any more than it is, but it's nice and clean. Factory jack with the old bias ply spare, which is super cool. Look at this, man. These things are all dated. They're all in here. The complete history of the car with anything they've ever done to it. Receipts. The original broadcast sheet still in here, which is super cool. That's a boot for the top. Just a good car, man. Good quality muscle car. It's got the bumperettes on the rear. Car's nice and clean underneath. Again, very original. Boy, you gotta love Michigan weather. Not. Seats are nice, real comfortable. They re-padded them or re-foamed them. Factory padded dash. These gauges are nice and clean. Like I say, it shifts out great. Have Nathan fire it up here. Nice and smooth. I wish the roads weren't all soaking wet. We'd run it down the road. It's got plenty of power. Just a good car, guys. Good looking front end. That's a good looking body style. I love the marker lights. You can go ahead and start putting your top up, Nathan. Gauges are all working, fuel gauge. Again, that blower motor works, parking brake works. I think they call this a Haatz, H-A-T-Z or something. That's all brand new. It's got the plastic rear window, which is new. That's good, Nathan. Go ahead and start putting it back down. Backup lights work. Good little revving. This is just a good car, man. Yeah, blower motor does work. Radio delete, so it's of course the radio's not in it. I know the wipers work. Need them on a day like today. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our YouTube page, our Facebook page, our Instagram page, or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.